Hello everybody, and today is another model review, and it is of this Tui Boeing 737 MAX 8, and I got this model when I was my last holiday in Croatia. You can only get these models on the actual flights. This was about £10 I think for this kit. It's well beautifully modelled, and the engine is beautifully modelled as well. Yeah, so yeah, this is a good kit for starters, because this already comes painted and you don't have to put any windows in. What I have to do is glue that bit of the engine on, then you glue the engine onto there, and so you glue the wings. I got this set before I got my model set, so I didn't really use poly cement. And look here, this is the back. I know it's not perfectly done, but that's the back. You see the Tui logo. See, those are the tiny decals. So yeah, this is a good kit for starters. So if you do go on any flights, I recommend getting this aircraft. Yeah, so this is only a short review because there's not much to go on, but this is also a beautiful model. And when I got this one, they had another one of their Dreamliner, but I decided to get this one instead. So, I'll show you the model now. So yeah, so this is the Tui Boeing 737 MAX 8. And I hope you like this small review, and I'll see you next time.